It's your shirt, Dad.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
Doing the washing.
You're doing the laundry.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm moving, Dad.
You're helping Dad. You're a good helper.
Now, I'm done with this one.
You're done with that one?
This is that.
Do you like doing the laundry?
This is that. Is this your Dad?
Let me see.
It's like white.
Yeah, this is Joshua's.
I'll put that in this drawer. Okay, Dad?
He's gonna put it in his drawer.
Someone did close this.
Someone didn't close that?
Yeah, sure.
Do you need help?
Yeah. I need this bucket.
Oh, wow.